I am Byte. Welcome back to ByteGrid AI. Today, 5 Zapier automations that give you 5 hours back every week. Let's go. Automation number 1, the email to spreadsheet logger. Every new email that lands in your Gmail, Zapier automatically extracts the sender name, email address, subject line and message body, and adds a new row to your Google Sheet. Your entire inbox becomes a searchable database. No more scrolling through hundreds of emails looking for that one contact. It is all in one clean spreadsheet, automatically. Time saved, 45 minutes every week. Automation number 2, the instant WhatsApp lead alert. Someone fills your contact form or Google form. Normally you would check your email every hour hoping for inquiries. With this automation, the moment anyone submits your form, Zapier sends you a WhatsApp message within 60 seconds with their full name, email and message. You respond while they are still at their screen. Response rate triples, time saved, 1 hour every week. Automation number 3, the AI email drafter. This one is Byte's personal favorite. A new email arrives in Gmail. Zapier sends it to Claude AI, which reads the email and writes a professional reply. That reply is saved as a Gmail draft, ready for you to review and send in 5 seconds. You never write an email from scratch again. Time saved, 1.5 hours every week. This single automation has the highest impact of all 5. Automation number 4, the social media scheduler. Open Google Sheets. Add a row with your post content and the date you want it published. That is it. Zapier reads that row and automatically posts to LinkedIn and Twitter at the exact scheduled time. One spreadsheet runs your entire social media presence. No switching between apps. No manual posting. Time saved, 45 minutes every week. Automation number 5, the automatic review collector. After every purchase or completed service, Zapier waits 24 hours and then sends your customer a personalized WhatsApp message with a direct link to leave a Google review. Businesses using this go from 20 reviews to 200 reviews in 60 days. 0 manual effort. Time saved, 1 hour every week. 5 automations, 5 hours back every single week. All built on Zapier's free plan. All set up in under 10 minutes each. It is Monday, the perfect day to pick one of these and set it up before the week gets busy. The link to Zapier Free is in the description below. Start with automation number 1, the email logger. It takes exactly 8 minutes to build and you will wonder how you survived without it. Subscribe to ByteGrid AI, and next video Byte is building automation 3, live on screen from scratch. The AI email drafter, step by step, free, coming this week. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 are you building first? It is Monday. Make it count. Byte reads every single one. See you next video.